Good morning, investors. Welcome to Friday, the 4th of July, 2014. Trade for today is PSG. PSG's last traded price was 98.73, and it's currently an opportunity to buy from a low to a high level. Entry level will be 98.79, and looking at the chart, it will be on this dotted blue line here. Your stop loss will be 92.01, low here. And the target is 1112 Rand 4 cents on the high here. The objective is to play it from the low levels to the high levels in the short term. MNP could be a close today regards to the newsletter. It was a selling opportunity trading from a high to low. The entry level was 194.42 and the stop loss was 202. And the target was 177. Last traded price is 198 Rand. As you can see, these are all buying opportunities that's currently in the market still, and this will be closing positions in the market. This is the top 40, that's the blue line. Tested and broken new highs yesterday, the last 2 days in the market, and still trading above the 20-day moving average. That is the grey line here. Let's go and look at the American markets. This was Wednesday evening's closing price of 16,976 points. After the good job numbers, they were expecting 215,000 jobs to be created, and approximately 288,000 jobs were created on the US markets. And what happened is a lot of the investors overseas got out of gold prices, went into the American equity markets and the currency prices, and it actually gave it some lift on the US markets, and they closed last Thursday evening 92 points positive, just above this level of 17,068 points. Still in a positive trend channel, breaking new highs on a daily basis as we speak. The J200, that's the top 40 shares, as you can see, currently also broke new highs here in an upward channel, pulling off your Bollinger Bands. I'm going to zoom in here, trading above the green line here, or the support green line in the channel between the red and the green, giving you indication of a great positive movement in the market. At a stage it was testing this green line and the Bollinger Bands, didn't break it down to go lower, so the market is still going higher. No ideal show of any breakdown as yet of the new highs have been broken on the market. Let's go to ShopRite. Looking at ShopRite, trading here at 153.42, still in the downward channel. We're expecting a close reversal most probably to happen here this time. Looking at the looking at the share on the candle, you can actually zoom in here. You're going to see basically about 6-7 days of little volumes happening on this trading and market movement happening on the share, fading a bit to the side, and we could most probably expect very soon a bit of a movement up happening on the share. Keeping a close eye on the share personally as well. Woolies is in the blue line, is the share price coming down from these highs, losing a bit of momentum after touching 78.79 Rand at a stage, coming a bit down here, and we need to keep a close eye on this support green line here in the short term as well. Through it, looking precisely the same as ShopRite at this moment, there's the downward channel starting to move downward. We need to see if there is no activity going to happen on this share in the short term as well. You see this high and this high has been tested. We need to see if this one will go lower, break this low and then go lower, or will it start moving up, breaking this higher above the 75 Rand, 75.50. If it can break it up, then it could go to 76.36 and then most probably move up as well. Mr. Price, looking at Mr. Price having the same movement as Woolies. So there's the upward movement, coming a bit down here, tested 183.60 on the high, now close to the 180 rand levels as well. And look at this, leg, shoulder, head. So we need to see if this 178 could be the next low on the shoulder and most probably then break down, or we'll just complete and go further up in the upward channel. Let's go and look at telecommunication quickly here. Telecommunication MTN, nice upward movement, came down, testing the support here on 22450. As you can see, it broke up, came a bit down. Need to see if the direction will go further up or will it start trading to the side. Let's keep a close eye on this 224.50 for the bounce or the pull up that will happen. But the green line is still supporting in the upward channel at this stage in the short term. Vodacom in a small upward movement here, did lose a bit of momentum here, and as you can see it's also coming a bit down. Let's keep a close eye on this direction. Currently could go up or down, looking into indicators as well. Barclays Bank. Now Barclays Bank is the current moment, there's the upward movement. Currently there was the triangle happening there, broke up and testing previous highs and previous support on this upward channel here. So there's no big direction in this specific trade as yet, but let's keep a close on this one. Standard Bank, look at the cycles, low, high, cycle, but the cycles are getting smaller. So we need to see this is quite big support in the short term. Currently 146 rand plus minus the high. Anytime it breaks 146, next high 148, no direction as yet, and you can see the instability happening here. Barloworld, still trading on the side, no major direction happening here, even if the market breaks highs. Let's see, today is basically 4th of July, American markets will be closed for the day. They've got a long weekend. We could see a bit of an upside movement on the J200 after that big close on the Dow last night, and then we will see a bit of uncertainty. So it's a free market today, and a bit of speculation could happen as well. Enjoy your trading.